how to create a coming soon page in your Shopify store. To do this, we have to download a specific app, and to do this, we go to our settings here down on the left, right next to the gear icon. And you want to click on Apps and Sales Channels and open Shopify Store. And now you want to look for this app which is called Pagefly. Looks like this. I'm just gonna open it. It has a very great rating. It's very useful. So just I have already installed this app. So if you don't, go ahead and install it. So I'm just gonna click on Open App. And this will open it in a new window for me. And once it has done that, you want to look on the left here where it says apps. You can see this drop down for your Pagefly app, and you want to go to pages, and from here we can click on create from template, and you want to choose password. So now we can see a whole lot of coming soon template pages. You can click on this one, for example. This one has a timer of how many days, hours, and so on are left until our Shopify store is active. You can also enter your email and stuff like that. You can preview it from here. That's how it's gonna look. And we can customize a lot of different things here. So once you're satisfied with that, we just click on select this template. And now you can go ahead and edit every one of these elements. And once you're done, you just click on save, and that's it. That's how you create a coming soon page in your Shopify store. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.